Hi, could you please help me? My teacher told me that I need to reference the research I do for my assignment. It seems like a lot of extra work. Why is it important?
Well, there are a few reasons why you should cite your research. To acknowledge the ideas and information you got from the authors you read, to avoid plagiarism, and to enable anyone who reads your work to locate the sources you have used. Do you know which referencing style your teacher wants you to use?
Yes, I need to use APA.
TAFE teachers usually ask for either APA or Harvard, so you should always check. APA referencing is a two-step process. When you write your essay or report, you need to include in-text citations. This means that if you include a quote, a statistic, or an idea from your readings, you need to acknowledge the source. Then you add a full list of references at the end. See this example? An in-text citation needs to include the author's name and the date of the publication. If you quote or paraphrase an author's work, you need to add a page number too. All resources that you cite within the text of your work then need to be added to a reference list. Here's an example of a book reference. The author's last name is followed by a comma, then their first initial, followed by a full stop. Next is the year of publication in brackets, followed by a full stop. Then the book title in italics. If there is an addition statement, add this next and put it in brackets. Then the place of publication, a colon, and publisher with a final full stop.
One of the books I want to cite doesn't have an author. It just gives an organisation name. What do I do with that?
As you can see here, you simply use the organisation name if no individual author is identified.
Okay, I think I should be able to cite the books I want to use. What about citing other resources?
Each type of resource is a bit different. Here's an example of a chapter in an edited book. This includes both the chapter author and title and the book details. This is a citation for a website, which includes the date you retrieved the information and the URL. And this is an example of a journal article from a database. With these, you need to add the journal details, including where it can be found. Just remember that there are referencing guides on the website with examples for each type of resource that you are likely to use. Simply keep one handy while you're writing your assignment.
Okay. Do the references need to be in any particular order?
Your list needs to be organised alphabetically by author or by title if you don't know the author. This is a good example. It shows how you should indent your references if they are longer than one line.
Great. That should get me started. Thanks for your help.
No problems.